People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My soaps located Purple Butterfly Soaps. That's myshopify.com, my blog, PurpleButterfly People.blogspot.com. And today, excuse me, I'm here to try the Super Bowl 2023 soap again. I've changed my recipe. It has soybean oil in the form of Crisco shortening in place of the coconut oil. The lard is still there and the olive oil is still there, and I also changed out the fragrance oil because I found out that fragrance oil has a history of occasionally rising and accelerating, which means it can cause a seize, which, as you've seen in the last video, that's what happened. In the meantime, I put the titanium dioxide directly in the oils, and the color cups already has their allotment of micas to refresh your memory. Seafoam green, activated charcoal, which gives a black. Voodoo Red by Mad Micas, and it's a yellow, the name of which is escaping me at the moment, so let me go grab it and tell you what it is. Bright Yellow Rain Jacket by Mad Micas, and the Seafoam Green is by Tara Kelly from Living on a Dime fame. 90 degrees for the temperature of the oils, 81 degrees for the temperature of the live water. That's within 10 degrees of each other, so that's just below or within a room temperature range, so there shouldn't be an issue this time. I got on 2 gloves, full face shield, long sleeves, shoes. The reason you want to make sure you have shoes on when you're soaping, if there's a splash, same reason for the long sleeves and the gloves and the face gear, you want to be able to get those items off quickly, i.e. if there's a spill in your shoes, you want to be able to get the shoes off. By the same token, the shoes might protect your feet. If it gets in by any chance, then you still need to be able to get them off so you can neutralize. But yeah, so these are the shoes I wear for that occasion. They're thick, they cover my feet, but if need be, I can kick them off. I'm going to make this quick because, frankly, I'm in a low energy cycle. This side of my body has been spasming most of the day, and I just want to get this soap done so that way I can take a nap. We're still, oh, the light isn't on. Hold on. We're still using the 64-ounce mold with the wave insert. I intend to do the exact same swirl, I just intend to do it without a seize. That's the simplest way to explain it. So in the meantime, oh, and that's another thing. I don't know if you can see it, but there is something floating in my live water. That's one of the reasons why I always strain my live water. That's what they call a production debris from the way it's processed. Either way, I don't want that in my soap. So, yeah. Just put this down here. Lift the empties. Now, just like last time, I'm going to give it an initial stir. I intend to bring it just up to emulsification and then into the color cups. And that's starting to rise up right here. Let's just beat it by hand. Okay, that's a trace. So apparently, maybe it's the titanium dioxide, but it also could be this particular fragrance oil, which is now sage, basil, mint. But yeah, it started to thicken up when I started blending, so I'm stirring it by hand. It's at a light trace, so I'm going to go ahead and get this done right quick. That's an accent color. This is an accent color. And then the main color will have more. And then the rest is going directly into the mold. Yeah, I could have poured them more evenly if I had measured in the meantime. Let's see, can you see? Yes, okay. I'm going to pour this through the middle of the divider so that way there's equal amount of white on both sides. At least that was the theory. Let's lift that up. Now let's put it back down. So now it's leveled out. And then the rest, I'm going to scrape into the color cups. Some for this one. And some for this one. Now if it decides to accelerate, it won't matter, because the swirl will be able to be accomplished. And then if it speeds up after that, it will speed up in the mold itself. As you can tell, I've taken lots of precautions to make sure this batch came out okay. Now, let's do those two colors last because the black will and they're accent colors. And one thing I learned about accent colors, since there's only this amount in there, if I stick this to a blender, it's going to splash. So I'm going to stir it by hand. And then I'm going to drop swirl this color into the main color that is complementing. Okay. Just clean that off. And then we're going to do the same thing with this one. Since it's an accent color, you can't have a splash from the stick blender, so I'm going to stir that by hand. Well, that stubborn color doesn't want to dissolve and blend. Come on, Micah. You like soap. You want to blend with the soap. Let's just move the whole thing around. Okay, that's better. And then that's going to get poured into the soap color is complementing. And any that's left is going to go into the overflow mode. Now, swirl for that, swirl for that, finish with that. Now, we're going to bring this over here. Make sure that's stable and balanced. Now we're going to take one color for the left, one color for the right, and we're going to pour them in. On their respective sides. And some decide to share the space, but that's okay. Now, well, actually, I'm going to use the spatula for that. I'm going to take the spatula I'm going to take a different spatula and scrape this red and yellow onto this side of the mold. And then I'm going to scrape this green and black onto this side of the mold. And I'm about to run out of real estate because the liner of the mold is nearly full. 48-ounce batch. But the volume of the wooden mold is 64, so if it goes over, there's room to handle it. So now we're going to take the black and put it on, well, actually, no. First, before I do that, I need to swirl all the way down. The colors. There we go. Now, I'm going to take the black and put it on top. This is now the accent. Okay. And then, oh well, actually, amazing. Gonna do the same thing with the red. Some of the green is gonna get in the red, but that's okay. It was a tough game and both teams fought hard, so if one color from one team gets in the side of the other team, that's understandable. Yeah. Now we're going to take the yellows from a different spatula, with some of the black got in there, and put that on the red side. Perfect. Now, that's finished. Whew. Now I'm going to take the separator, pull it straight up. Perfect. That came out very good. Very happy with that. I'm going to take a picture of that before I do something to the top, like maybe a mantra. And that's another reason why I wear two books. So don't come with me. And that's what we have now. Is that gorgeous or what? Now I'm going to take the stainless steel chopstick and just give it a mantra swirl completely across the top. There we go. And yeah, this has been People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My soaps located at PurpleButterfly-soaps.myshopify.com. My blog, PurpleButterfly-people.blogspot.com. Super Bowl 2023 is done. Stay tuned for the cut, which will be in 2 days. With this recipe, it needs a longer setup time. So, yeah. But, look, is that gorgeous or what? Let's make sure you can see it. Yeah. I'm going to take pictures of that. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye now. Love you. Yes. Sign language where I love you, in case you've ever wondered. Yeah. Super Bowl 2023, the remake. It came out very, very well. Oh, well, let's clean that up a little. So, yeah. I can't wait to cut this. I think I'm gonna do a little teeny loop-de-loop right there. And just for evenness, that side too. So that's how it looks now. Yep, yep.